Hi, I'm Danielle, and I'm a design consultant with Blinds.com, the #1 online retailer of custom window treatments. Today, we're going to answer the top questions we get about plantation shutters. So the first question we always get is, what is a plantation shutter and how does it differ from a horizontal blind? If you think about a plantation shutter, it's actually going to be fixed inside of your window opening, sometimes contained within a frame. Blinds actually can hang inside or outside the window opening. You will tilt the louvers open and close, however they are able to lift and lower. Plantation shutters don't lift and lower, the panels will swing open and closed. Here's one of the other differences: longevity. Shutters are meant to last a lifetime. They're an investment in your home. Actually, they're one of the only window treatments that can actually add to the value of your home. Can you install shutters on doors? You absolutely can, whether it be a French door or a sliding glass door. It will lead to a great cohesiveness throughout the home. That's a little bit of a challenge. It's considered a specialized product, so you'll have to call into our design center and speak to a design consultant like myself, and we can definitely walk you through that process step by step to get that ordered for you. Are shutters outdated? Absolutely not. They can actually provide a timeless look to your home. You can tweak the look of the shutters by the louver size, the tilt mechanism, as well as the frame style. You can change the look of your home being a little bit more traditional to a little bit more modern or transitional, which is right in between, all by the different components of shutters that you select. So outdated? Never. It's something that will always be in style. Are shutters difficult to install? Absolutely not. If you're comfortable with a measuring tape, you absolutely can install them on your own. As a matter of fact, we've helped thousands of our own customers install their own shutters. But if you aren't comfortable with a measuring tape, or you might have a large project, or maybe some complex windows like doors or arches, we can help with professional measure and installation services. So whether you'd like to do it yourself, get help with design, or professional measure and installation services, Blinds.com has you covered. So if you have more questions or you're interested in a free shutter consultation, click the link in the description down below to connect with one of our expert design consultants.